Hello guys, this is lecture 2 of Turkish class, and we'll continue where we left, and we are going to new lectures, new lessons, and the new lesson is going to be the continuation of the last one. Let's talk about again about the greetings in the beginning, like for example when it's in the morning and you want to say good morning, you have to say günaydın. You said günaydın. Okay, as we said, okay, this is the answer for this is günaydın. That means good morning. Good morning. Now for example, we said okay, merhaba. Merhaba. The answer is merhaba. Means hello. Well, for example, we say hoşça kal. Hoşça kal, a new term. Hoşça kal. The answer for this is güle güle. Güle güle. Now let's stay a little bit about this, these two phrases, which is very important and very widely used. Hoşça kal, it means stay in peace. It means stay in peace. Güle güle, it means goodbye. Well, the person who says hoşça kal is the person who's leaving. Is the person who's leaving. For example, this is a door. Well, this is a door, and there's one person. One person who's leaving. Is leaving the door, and the other person is staying in the house. Let's say. Well, this is the house. Let's say. The person is here. Well, this person is saying to this one, hoşça kal, stay in peace, okay? And this one is telling, answering this guy who is leaving, güle güle, goodbye, okay? Güle güle. And this guy is saying hoşça kal, stay in peace, and he is leaving, the person is leaving. So this person should use hoşça kal. Not this one should not use güle güle. Should only say hoşça kal, stay in peace, stay in peace. And this person inside the house should say güle güle, like this. So I hope you understood this term. This is very important and it's very easy. Like this, the person who's leaving is saying hoşça kal, and the person who's staying in a house is saying güle güle. Well, let's continue to the next term. Let's say hoş geldiniz. This is very important. Hoş geldiniz. Hoş geldiniz. This means welcome. Welcome. The answer for this is hoş bulduk. Hoş bulduk. Hoş bulduk. Okay, that's the answer. The person who's saying hoş geldiniz, welcome, the other person should say hoş bulduk. So just make sure when you are going to a house, when you are going to your friend's house, that your friend will say hoş geldiniz. Okay, will say hoş geldiniz. And you will say hoş bulduk. Okay, Just make sure you understand this. Welcome. Hoş bulduk. Actually, we don't have it exactly maybe in English. I don't know the exact term which is used. Welcome. But let's say hoş bulduk. Let's break it down into pieces. Hoş bulduk. But this is a little bit more advanced terms, more advanced stuff. So hoş, it means exciting. Exciting. Okay. Bul, it means to find. Bul, it means to find or find. Find. Okay, it means find. Bul. Bulduk, this is the past term, past tense. That means we found. We, this uk, it means for we. Now you are confusing, I know it, I totally know, but this is just to have a clear vision what's exactly the meaning of hoş bulduk. So that means we found, let's say, let's put this answer, let's put this meaning. We found each other, let's say. We found each other with exciting. Okay, we found each other. Although there's no word that indicates corresponds to each other, but that's what I say, just put it in your mind. We found each other with exciting, let's say. With exciting. With exciting. Okay, it's very good. So but just forget about what I said about these things. All you need to say, okay, when somebody says welcome, says hoş geldiniz, the answer should be hoş bulduk. That's it. That's very easy. And well, now we are going to some terms, some words. Let's go on and we'll talk a little bit about some new terms. These are the verbs. We are talking about the verbs, okay? Now these fundamental verbs, this is just to make you understand what the Turkish language look like, otherwise we did not go to the grammar yet. We'll go to the grammar slowly, but now I'm just introducing you some terms so that you know you are able to use it by yourself, little bit slow, and then later we proceed. Now it's early, so that's why we are not talking about the grammar. The grammar is a little bit more advanced. That's why you should know the fundamentals. So let's say the first term to know is dinle, or let's say let it be oku. Oku, it means read. The second, let's say dinle, it means listen. Oku, it means read. It means read. Dinle, it means listen. It means listen. Third, bak, it means look. Konuş, it means speak. Sessiz ol. Sessiz ol. It means be quiet. Be quiet. That means be quiet. Okay, now the sixth term is for example, gel. Gel. It means come. And the seventh, git. It means go. Okay, git. It means go. Otur. Otur. It means sit. 9. Kalk. Kalk. It means stand up. Stand up. Sil. Sil. It means erase. Erase. That means remove or clean. But when I say clean, it's basically when, for example, a whiteboard, it's written, so you tell that person erase or clean. So the person will do cleaning. The person will clean it. Erase. That means clean. Okay. Yaz. Yaz. Yaz. It means write. Write. Yaz. It means write. Anla. Anla. It means understand. Understand. This is T. It means understand. How about if you say I didn't understand? I didn't understand. You just say Anlamadım. Anlamadım. This is M. Anlamadım. It means I didn't understand. I didn't understand. So this was 12. Let's say well. 13. Kes. Kes. It means cut. Cut. It means cut. For example, there's a rope. You cut it with a. You cut it into 2 parts. This is kes. It means cut. Aç. Aç. It means in here it means open. Open. Aç. It means open. Kapat. Kapat. Kapat. It means close. Close. Close. It means, for example, a door is open, a door is closed. For example, close. It doesn't mean that near. So, for example, you say cevapla. Cevapla, it means answer. Answer means answer. Cevapla. Dışarı çık. Dışarı çık, it means go out. Go out. Dışarı çık, it means go out. İçeri gir. İçeri gir, it means come in. Come in. Well, now for example we say parmak kaldır. Parmak kaldır. Well, the meaning of this is basically raise your finger. For example, the students in the class is asked to raise their fingers before they answer something or they ask something. Parmak kaldır, this is raise your finger, or you say raise your hand. Raise your hand. So instead of this parmak, well, you just say el kaldır. El. El, it means hand. El, it means hand. Means hand. But parmak, it means finger. So you can say el kaldır. That means raise your hand. Elini kaldır, raise your hand. This is specific to a person. But el kaldır to anyone. You can say to anyone. All the students in the class. So let's say go on. Sor. Sor, it means ask. Sor, it means ask. Now I think we talked the important words. Now we'll continue to other parts. Now let's take a look what we did. Oku, it means read. Dinle means listen. Bak, it means look. Konuş means speak. Let me yes, sounds good. Well, oku, it means read. Dinle, listen. Bak, look. Konuş, speak. Sessiz ol. Sessiz ol. It means be quiet. Be quiet. Sessiz ol. That means be soundless. Be soundless or be quiet. Gel, it means come. Git, go. Git. Otur, sit. Kalk, stand up. Sil, erase. Yaz, write. Anla, understand. Anlamadım, I didn't understand. Anlamadım. Kes, cut. Aç, open. Kapat, close. Cevapla, answer. Dışarı çık, go out. İçeri gir, come in. Parmak kaldır, raise your finger. El kaldır, raise your hand. Sor, ask. Okay. Well, now it's very good that we understood, we learned some basic words, basic verbs in Turkish, and I hope that you got some information, and for the next lecture I'm gonna continue on the opposite words. For example, these are some verbs, and in the next lecture I'm going to give you some opposite words. See you next lecture.